Hi students, welcome to Easy Chemistry by Pathan, and today in this session I am going to explain about attacking reagents in organic chemistry. In organic chemistry we have three types of attacking reagents. That is electrophiles, nucleophiles, and the third one we have ambiphiles. So attacking reagents, three types: electrophiles, nucleophiles, ambiphiles. And now what is meant by electrophiles? How to identify electrophile? Electrophile nothing but electron loving and electrophiles are electron deficient means electron poor. And electrophiles nothing but electron pair donors, acceptors. Means they accept lone pair of electron. Deficient na, that's why they accept lone pair. And electrophile act as Lewis acids. Now electrophile symbol is E plus. So this is the symbol or symbolic representation for electrophile. So plus charge is there means it need electrons, means electron loving, or we can say electron seeking. Electron seeking means it need electrons. That's why electron deficient or electron poor. So it wants to take electron from other species. So electron pair acceptor or lone pair acceptor act as Lewis acid. So Lewis acid you learn already, which accept lone pair. So how to identify an electrophile? Identification of an electrophile. See here we learned already electrophile nothing but positively charged species. That we have already idea. But only positively charged species are not electrophiles. And these have three types of properties. One is H plus acceptor or Lewis acid means positive charge, not acceptor. It contains positive charge or temporary positive charge, and another one incomplete octet, plus charge, temporary plus charge, incomplete octet means vacant p or d orbital present. Vacant p or d orbital is present. So positive charge or temporary positive charge or incomplete octet, or we are calling vacant p or d orbitals are present. Those are electrophiles. Let me discuss examples for this. So type 1. We have positive charge. Positive charge is there, that is electrophile, but not all. Some exceptions are there. Let me take positively charged species. All cations, but except 1A, 2A elements, means lithium, sodium, potassium, alkali metals, alkaline earth metals. And these cations we have, like examples I am giving here: H plus, CH3 plus, Cl plus, NO2 plus, NO plus, SO3H plus. These all are cations with new electrophilic nature. The second one we have type 2. So type 2 we have here neutral, means which are having neutral charge. So neutral charge means incomplete octet, like BeCl2, BF3, AlCl3, CH2 lone pair, CCl2 lone pair, SnCl2, SnCl4, ZnCl2, FeBr3. These all are neutral. So now we have positively charged and neutral. These all are incomplete octet. Means here octet configuration not there. See here I am explaining one: BF3, boron trifluoride, planar molecule. See, 3 bonds are there, 3 into 2, 6 electrons. Means in this molecule boron not having octet, that is we are calling incomplete octet. Incomplete octet is there, this acts as electrophile. You go for like that one more. CH3 plus. Carbon with 3 hydrogens, and here positive charge is there. Here also 3 into 2, 6 electrons. 6 electrons. So incomplete octet, incomplete octet. So like this incomplete octet is there, means octet configuration not there. Those all are, we are calling electrophile. So how to identify electrophile means positive charge, temporary positive charge, incomplete octet means in that vacant p orbital or vacant d orbital is present. But exception we have 1a, 2a elements. 1a group and 2a group elements. 1a means lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. 2a means beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium. These are not electrophile. Look here, lithium plus charge is there, sodium plus charge is there, calcium plus 2 is there, and beryllium plus 2 is there. Though these are having positive charge, these are not act as electrophile. These are not act as electrophile. These are not electrophiles. Though positive charge is there. Why means these already stable. Already stability is there. These all are having octet. These all are having octet. So octet configuration is there already. Octet configuration is there. In this all octet configuration is there. Lithium, sodium, calcium, beryllium ion, octet is there. Octet is there means already stable. But electrophile means incomplete octet. Incomplete octet. And these are already in octet. And this is a duplet configuration lithium we have. Duplet configuration. That's why 1a group ion, 2a group ions are not electrophiles. This is about electrophiles. Let me discuss few more. And here this time I am taking nucleophiles. Nucleophiles. So another attacking reagent is nucleophile. Nucleophile. Nucleophile means nucleus loving. Nucleus loving or nucleus seeking. And another we have, these are electron rich. Electron rich means excess electrons are present. Excess electrons are present. And these are have the capability as electron pair donor. Rich na? That's why electron pair donor. They donate the electron pair. That's why these are act as Lewis bases. Act as Lewis bases. So a nucleophile nothing but nucleus loving, electron rich, and electron pair donor. Symbol of a nucleophile is Nu minus. Nu minus. And how to identify this? Identification of a nucleophile. How to identify a nucleophile? Very easy to identify a nucleophile. Look here, this is the nucleophile with negative charge. And three ways we have to identify a nucleophile. It should contain negative charge, and it should contain lone pair, or it should contains a double bond and triple bond. If negative charge is there, nucleophile. Lone pair is there, nucleophile. Double or triple bond is there, nucleophile. So minus means here negative charge. Negative charge. Lone pair means somewhere one lone pair is present like this. And double bond means between two carbon double bond or between two carbon triple bond like this. Now you go for example for nucleophile. We have different types. Type 1. Type 1. Type 1 nucleophiles we have with negative charge. Negative charge. If negative charge is present and given compound, and that is a nucleophile. So what are those nucleophiles? Look here, H minus, F minus, Cl minus, Br minus, I minus, and OH minus we have, Cn minus we have, NH2 minus we have, and N3 minus we have. These are negatively charged. Negatively charged. So these all are nucleophiles. Next we have type 2. Type 2. Having lone pair. If any species having lone pair, those called as nucleophile. Best example H2O, lone pairs 2 are there. NH3 one lone pair is there. PH3 one lone pair is there. Amine one lone pair is there. Alcohol one lone pair is there. Alcohol. Like this, these all lone pair is present. Those are electron rich. Electron rich is there. That is donor. Look, type 10. Type 3. Type 3 we are calling having double bond or triple bond. Double bond or triple bond. Look here, CH2, double bond CH2, CH, triple bond CH, CH, triple bond CH. And like this benzene we have with the double bonded, these all are nucleophiles. Means alkene, alkyne and benzene are nucleophiles. Nucleophiles. Then you go for type 4 we have. Type 4. Type 4 species we are having organometallic compounds. Organometallic compounds. What is meant by organometallic compound? RMGX. R organic compound means carbon chain. M is metal. If metal is bonded in organic chain, that is we are calling organometallic compound. Then you go for R2Zn. Then you go for R2 lithium copper. Means dialkyl lithium cuprate. So these we are calling now RMGX, R2Zn, R2LiCu, all are organometallic compound. These also act as nucleophiles. Nucleophiles. Like this we have different types of nucleophiles. Next, last we have ambiphiles. Ambiphiles. Ambiphiles are the species which are having both nucleophile nature as well electrophilic nature. So they act as nucleophile as well as electrophiles. Nucleophile nature is there, electrophile nature is there. This we are calling dual nature. Dual nature means nucleophilic center as well as electrophilic center. Dual nature is there. Go for the best example I am giving here. Water. And here lone pairs are there. Now oxygen act as lone pair donor. Lone pair donor means nucleophile. Hydrogen H plus act as electrophile. Go for one more example. Here I am taking alcohol, ROH. In alcohol we have oxygen atom with two lone pairs. Now oxygen act as nucleophile. Hydrogen act as electrophile. This is nucleophile. And this is act as electrophile. Means amphiphile is an attacking reagent which contains both electrophilic center as well as nucleophilic center. Here hydrogen is electrophilic center, oxygen is nucleophilic center. Here oxygen nucleophilic center, hydrogen electrophilic center. And same you can take cyanide also. C triple bond N. And here N act as and C act as differently. And here we have N, more electronegative. It acts as nucleophile and it acts as electrophile. And this is about attacking reagents. Look here, we have three types of attacking reagents. One is electrophile, next nucleophile, amphiphile. Electrophile, E plus, electron loving, electron deficient, electron pair acceptor, act as Lewis acid. How to identify? Plus charge is there, temporary plus charge is there, or incomplete octet is there, means where vacant d and p orbitals are present. Positive charge is there, except 1a and 2a, act as electrophile. Neutral atom with incomplete octet like BeCl2, BF3, AlCl3, and these all are neutral. So neutral condition, incomplete octet. In boron trifluoride we have 6 electrons, and in methyl carbocation we have 6 electrons, means octet not there. That's why these are electron deficient. Electron deficient, it will ready to accept the electron pair. Next, nucleophile. And nucleophiles we have here nucleus loving, electron rich, electron pair donor, that is lone pair donor, act as Lewis basis. How to identify? Negative charge, lone pair, double or triple bond. We have 4 types. Negative charge. So negative charge is present, those are nucleophile. Lone pair with a neutral, nucleophile. Double or triple, alkene, alkyne and benzene. These are nucleophiles. Organometallic compound means organic compounds associated with metal. RMGX, R2ZN, R2LiCu, these all are nucleophiles. Next, amphiphile. Amphiphile nothing but having nucleophilic nature and electrophilic nature, means dual character. See water molecule. In water, oxygen lone pair donor, nucleophile. H plus we have electrophile. In alcohol same, oxygen nucleophile, hydrogen electrophile. In cyanide, nitrogen nucleophile and carbon is electrophile. Still, if you have any doubt, please make a comment and I will clarify your doubts. If you like this concept, please do subscribe my channel, like my channel, share it to your friends. They will be benefitable. Thank you.